The art of understanding PSLE English Comprehension with 1-2 tuition.
Let's dive into learning. A comprehension guide. Sample comprehension passage excerpt.
The air in the hawker center was a symphony of sizzles and shouts, a vibrant chaos of Singaporean life. The aroma of char siu and satay mingled in a fragrant cloud, promising a feast for the senses. Kian, a young boy with a boundless appetite, watched a stallholder expertly flip a roti prata. He had been given a mission by his grandfather to buy the best chicken rice in town for their Sunday family gathering. But as he looked at the long queue snaking around the chicken rice stall, his stomach rumbled, and a new temptation arose. The crispy, golden brown prata was calling to him, a delicious detour from his original quest. He knew he was supposed to be responsible, but the temptation was overwhelming. He just needed one.
Factual, literal question. What was Kian's mission from his grandfather?
Kian's mission was to buy the best chicken rice for his family gathering.
Inference. Why did the long queue for the chicken rice stall make Kian hesitate?
The long queue likely made him hesitate because he was hungry and the wait would be long. He saw the prata as a quicker, more tempting option.
Referencing a delicious detour from his original quest. What does the phrase, his original quest, refer to?
His original quest refers to his mission to buy the best chicken rice.
Sequencing. Indicate the order in which the events occurred in the story.
1. Kian's stomach rumbled.
2. Kian watched a stallholder flip a roti prata.
3. Kian looked at the long queue.
Sequence 2, 3, 1.
True or false? Based on the passage, state whether the statement below is true or false, then give one reason why you think so. Kian's grandfather wanted him to buy roti prata.
False. Kian was given the mission to buy chicken rice. The prata was a temptation and a detour from his original task.
Stick with me because the complete set of questions is coming up. While you wait, take a moment to like and subscribe. Our channel is packed with resources to help your child excel, not just in English, but in mathematics and science too. Let's now turn our attention back to the questions and work through the rest of the set.
Cause and effect.
What was the cause of Kian's temptation?
The cause was the sight of the stallholder expertly flipping the crispy golden brown prata, which looked delicious to him.
Before, after. What happened immediately after Kian looked at the long queue for the chicken rice stall? His stomach rumbled and he became tempted by the roti prata. Vocabulary in context. Find a word from the passage that means a journey in search of something.
Quest.
Applied vocabulary.
Based on the passage, describe Kian's feeling about his mission in one word and explain your choice.
A suitable word would be conflicted.
Kian was torn between completing his mission to buy chicken rice and giving in to the temptation of the roti prata.
Personal response.
Based on the passage, do you think Kian will buy the prata? Explain your answer.
It is likely that Kian will buy the prata. The passage mentions that the temptation was overwhelming and that he thought he just needed one. This suggests he is about to give in to his craving. Comprehension crisis? The secret's in the caption.
The learning continues. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on what's next. What's your biggest takeaway? Drop it in the comments below.